Recently, we achieved the sale of 500 meters of RodeXit in India in less than 2 years from the date when we launched it. We became the exclusive distributor of Denmark's RodeXit in December 2021 and imported our first RodeXit consignment nearly 2 years ago in March 2022. We launched RodeXit in India through our distributors in April 2022. Our first RodeXit sale was about a year and a half ago, and it was in July 2022 to a brewery. Our second RodeXit sale in January 2023 was to a spice processing factory in Andhra Pradesh. We made RodeXit installation videos for Indian customers in March 2023. In October 2023, Seva Facility Services installed more than 100 feet of RodeXit on all the shutters of a Mumbai region factory. We priced RodeXit very affordably at 500 rupees a foot for the first 2 years. As product promotion, we gave away free 1 foot long RodeXit samples to our distributors. Our distributors in turn gave those samples to their customers who wanted to rodent-proof their premises. We created local RodeXit installation videos in India, as the foreign videos showed structures and tools not familiar to Indians. We thank international business consultant Raja Mahendran, who proposed RodeXit distribution in India to us. We thank RodeXit General Manager Bjorn von Reiberg for helping us affordably price RodeXit in India. Bjorn also agreed for the free distribution of 100 meters of RodeXit samples to Indian customers. We thank Siddharth Balwani of Pecop Pest Control. He was the first distributor to sell RodeXit in India. Pecop made the first RodeXit promotional video in India. Also, Pecop exhibited RodeXit for the first time at a trade show in India at the Clean Technology Week in July 2022. We thank Hiraman Rathod of Seva Facility Services. His team identified the tools and accessories to install RodeXit. We also thank Seva Facility Services for having their technicians demonstrate RodeXit installation in our videos. Finally, we thank Indian pest control operators and our customers who have helped us quickly popularize RodeXit in India. RodeXit is the only made for rodent proofing product that you can get now in India. So by dividing the cost of RodeXit over 10 years of its life, you will find it a very affordable product. We look forward to helping more Indian businesses rodent proof their premises with RodeXit to protect their properties from rats and mice.